Today we'll demonstrate another function of this machine: label printing. First, we need to open the ribbon cap, then insert the ribbon. Second, we need to open the base plate, then load the bottom paper into the machine. Finally, we press the power button to start the machine. Click the label printing button to enter the printing interface. No app download required, simply scan the QR code to access. When you enter the customization page, you will see that we have provided many preset templates and elements. Now let's click on a template and try it. Each element can be scaled and moved to meet all your customization needs. If you are not satisfied with any of them, you can clear the Canva and upload your own elements for editing. With AI cutting technology, it will recognize the design outline and creates a perfectly shaped sticker. You can also scale and move them as you want. After edit the element, then click Create. Here, you can preview the print result. Make sure the image remains within the frame. Next, you will see the order you uploaded displayed on the machine. Click Print. There are 4 steps in the entire process. First, pre-press preparation. The machine will perform a self-check. Make sure every component is ready. Second, color layer printing. Each color layer is carefully applied to reproduce every details and colors, creating a clear, vibrant, and high-quality sticker. Third, surface protective treatment. The machine will apply a protective layer to enhance the sticker's durability and clarity. The last step is cutting. The machine automatically detects the design outline and precisely cuts the sticker one by one into the desired shape. Each sticker keeps clean edges and perfect details, ready for use immediately. After cutting, you can gently lift the edge of the sticker and remove it from the backing paper. Then you can peel off the sticker, align the sticker with the surface and transfer it smoothly onto the place you want. The personalized sticker is now applied, giving your phone a unique custom design. With this machine, printing and cutting custom stickers has never been easier.